What's up, YouTube? It's your boy. I'm back, baby. My brothers, today we're gonna make chicken and broccoli, my brothers, with some rice, puppy. I got my chicken here already, already seasoned with cornstarch, some soy sauce, some green onions, a little water, garlic, my brothers. Then over here I got my vegetables already chopped up. I'm nice and prepared for you guys, my brothers. Carrots and broccoli with some red onions. Yeah, puppy. And we're going to cook this up, my brothers. Let's cook the chicken first. Yeah, puppy. We got our wok here ready to go, my brothers. Yeah, puppy. So prepare for me, my brothers. This is early in the morning. Let me put I got some olive oil to leave in there. Yeah. Let's throw my chicken in there, my brothers. Yeah, just like that, puppy. Fuck it. Get in there, you son of a bitch. Yeah. All right, brothers, let's do this. See the green onions in there, puppy? Yeah. A little soy sauce, a little cornstarch, and a little water. Mix it all together, puppy. Oh, it smells good. Salt and pepper. It's beautiful. Yeah, my brothers. We're gonna let that cook up a little bit, my brothers. A couple of minutes, and then after that, my brothers, we're gonna start cooking we're gonna throw in the vegetables, my brothers, and cook that too. So let's let this cook up for a couple of minutes, my brothers. Yeah, puppy. I think a little bit, and then I think I'm gonna come back in a little bit, my brothers. This is gonna take a while. Yeah, my brothers, stay tuned. All right, my brothers, the chicken's getting nice and cooked now, my brothers. Now I'm gonna throw in the vegetables. Yeah, my brothers, just like that. Put that all together, Poppy. You can cook it separated, but I decided I'm gonna put it together. Yeah, Poppy. Nice, my brothers. Oh, yeah. nice now, my brother. Nice and cooked. The chicken's nice. It smells really good, Poppy. I gotta put some sauce on there, my brothers. Yeah. I thought my wife made the sauce, but she didn't put any sauce. I gotta make the sauce, Poppy. So let's cook that up a little, my brothers. Like that, my brothers. They look beautiful. Look at those colors, my brothers. Those look amazing. Wow, Poppy. Yeah. Let that cook, my brothers. And then next comes the sauce. Oh, yeah. Okay, my brothers. I got the sauce ready here, Poppy. I'm going to put the sauce ingredients down below in the video, Poppy, so you can see it. Let's put it in there, Poppy. Yeah. Just like that, my brothers. Fuck it. Yeah, Poppy. Check it out. Put a little more sauce in there, my brothers. Fuck it, Poppy. Just like that, my brothers. Yeah. Look at that. Doesn't that look beautiful, my brothers? You put your sauce in there. You give it a mix of root, Poppy. Yeah. Get it nice and wet. Pretty approved, my brothers. Look at that. A nice brown color. Dark brown color. Give that, mix that up, my brothers. Fucking. Now we're talking, Poppy. Put it back on the fire, my brothers. Oh, yeah. Oh, how's everybody doing today, my brothers? Hope everybody's doing good, Poppy. Your boy's here chilling home. All by myself, my brothers, on a Wednesday hump day. Betty approved day, my brothers. Oh, yeah. Look at that shit cooking up, my brothers. It's looking beautiful, man. It looks just like chicken and broccoli from a Chinese restaurant, my brothers. This is your boy King Cook, my brothers. Let's give this a taste test, my brothers. See this how this came out. Oh my God. That is the freaking bomb, my brothers. I changed the sauce a little. Oh my God. That is amazing. Oh my Lord. I bet you gotta try this out. The best whenever I touch turns to gold. I made it like a teriyaki style sauce, my brothers, to give it some flavor. For the chicken and broccoli. Yeah, Papi. You guys are gonna love this, my brothers. This shit is amazing. My brothers, another review for you guys. I hope you guys like it. I do this for you, Papi. You boys on the diet. Take care, my brothers.